Welcome to another Epsilon tutorial video. This is for the facelift version of the Corolla Hatchback. We're going to go over how to install the front lip today. If you are installing the full kit, you will actually have a separate video for the side skirts and rear spats that is going to be part of the pre-facelift video, which we will link somewhere here. But pretty much, it's a pretty straightforward install. The lip is right here. You're going to get this little envelope that has both the badge, a sticker, and the instructions. And then the only thing that we're going to mention off camera is, depending on the time of year, you will get your lips folded. So one thing you're going to want to do is, before you unfold them, polyurethane is a very, very flexible material that helps prevent this from breaking, from scraping and whatnot. But you're going to want to either leave it out in the sun, or grab a blow dryer or a hair dryer or a heat gun to unfold the lip if you get yours folded and it's kind of cold outside. So just make sure you heat it up, warm it up, just so it's a little more flexible. But beyond that, let's just get started. So as far as tools, you're gonna get this. Here's the lip. Lip does come with hardware. You're gonna need a screwdriver. I'm just gonna use an impact bit here because it does come with self-tappers, so you don't really need a drill. And then isopropyl alcohol and a rag to clean the car. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and just clean the bumper. So I'm gonna just take some IPA, spray it down and wipe the bottom of the car off. Basically anywhere where the double-sided tape is gonna touch. And if you have adhesion promoter, that would definitely help a lot. But I don't think it's necessary for this particular front lip. Now this lip does come with hardware, so just make sure when you open it you don't lose it. All of these screws correlate to factory mounting points. So we're going to go ahead and take the factory ones off. We got them. They're either 10 mils or Phillips heads. I prefer to just use Phillips heads. Now this part is probably the part where you want to grab a friend. So if you want to come over here real quick, grab the other side of the lip. Okay. And you're just going to help me hold it up. I'm going to go on both sides. And you just want to peel off maybe the 1-inch section. Don't place it yet, but I want you to like wrap it around the edge and just hold it there. It just needs to be in like about the right area. So I'm going to go ahead and basically peel back the tape. Nice and satisfying. Alright, once it's peeled, go ahead and apply the tape. The tape can be further applied with the screws, which are the very next step. To secure it, we're going to put the self-tapper on the inside wheel well right here. So, right there. Okay. I choose to go right here.